Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this 3,000 PSI pressure washer, all the different attachments, the length of all the extensions, the cords, all the different pressure that you get with the different nozzles, and this right here, which hooks up to a soap dispenser, which is pretty dang awesome when it comes to washing your car. Now, full disclosure, this company did send this to me, asking for my full, honest review. Who am I to say no, but in no way whatsoever will this be provided to me a fitness review, because I'm just here to keep it real. All right, so what does this come with? So you have your gun here. You have a quick disconnect. Press this down. Comes right out. Keep this down right here. And you're good to go. Has your trigger here, nice, easy to use. You can use all 4 fingers, which is nice and convenient, especially if you're working this for a long time. It does have a lock in place here. You can lock it in a closed position here. You have about 24 to 25 feet of length from the handle here all the way down to the actual machine. The power supply here is roughly 18 feet in length. It does come with a surge protector built in. It does come with a nozzle cleaning pick, and it does come with replacement O-rings. That would be here for the trigger. Just in case those kind of weather and get old, you can replace them, already included. It does come with a variety of different attachments. This would be your soap dispenser. So if you're using this to, let's just say you wanted to spray on a vehicle, you're gonna spray like car shampoo. Also has your regular attachment where you're gonna put your quick disconnect for your 4 different types of nozzles. This is connected easily in its pressure. Its pressure is spring-loaded. Put it in, give it a little twist, and now you're locked and ready to go. This is roughly 36 inches in length. You have 4 different nozzles that quick disconnect and quick connect here, just like that. They range from 0, 15, 25, and 40 degree spread. On the rear, there are convenient wheels, so this can be rolled around nice and easy. And similar to like luggage, this can lift up to make it easy to pull. All your nozzles have their own spot right here, so you don't have to worry about losing the nozzle tips. Everything can be bolted here, so it's all self-contained. So from this rod to this rod, and you can carry all of the cords rolled up here, as well as on the side here for the power cord and the hose cord. So it's all nice and neat and convenient. And the connection setting here is metal with a hard plastic term, but the actual connection piece right here is all metal, which is nice because plastic ones tend to break. This being metal is going to help for longevity. One thing important to note is that this style pressure washer only turns on when the nozzle has been depressed. So right now it's in the on position, but when it's going, then it cuts on and then turns off. So it's not constantly running, using electricity and being loud. Now I will say the volume on this is actually very quiet compared to a combustion, regular, gas-powered pressure washer and other pressure washers that I've seen, where they seem to be very, very loud, and sometimes you have to do something to cover your ears. This is not that loud at all. It's actually very subtle. This is the 0 degree nozzle. To kind of give you an idea how far. That's shooting almost 50, that's shooting 50 feet away, at least 50 feet away. This is what the 40 degree looks like. When using on glass, this is how the 40 degree works. Very cool, does the job very, very, very well. This is with the 40 degree spray. The mold stops and then continues. Just snaps into place, and its built-in handle keeps everything nice and compact. It will take mold off of wood rails. It will clean off brick pavers. This also works on concrete sidewalks and driveways. The spray foam attachment looks just like this once installed, clips on the exact same way. And allows you to foam it up good. From a water usage standpoint, this thing puts out about 2.4 gallons per minute. Arguably, the best part about this whole entire thing is having this attachment and being able to blast soap efficiently, effectively, and quickly all over a vehicle, switch it out, wash it clean, and then dry it. The pressure on this is not too hard to where it's gonna peel the paint off, so it's right in that sweet spot of highly effective, but is not gonna possibly damage anything. Again, that's totally subjective, but this thing is awesome. Hope that answers any question you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.